This is my mom. This is me, Caitlin, and that's Bree. But my mom just got home from work. She's on her way into the house now. We didn't go to school because of Bree's dad lied to us. And wait to see her reaction. Here she comes. Ready or not. Mama. Because her dad said that he was coming and he wanted us to stay home.
I called him about noon. He's like, oh, honey, I can't see you. I'm not down waiting for Melanie to get me down and that pissed me off. Now